Good afternoon. Let's see how to use Zotero application effectively. First of all, I installed the Zotero desktop application and the Zotero connector in here. After that, uh, we can see Zotero application like this. This is the main interface of the Zotero application, and first of all we have to get a free Zotero account and sync in your account using your Gmail. For that, go to setting and sync your account with Gmail. After that, uh, we have to create a collection for your research, for related to your research topic. Then click here and suggest a strong name. Let's take employee burnout. Then click create collection. So now you can see the created collection in here. We can see employee burnout. Then after that, we can add more academic research in here. For that, we can use a different method. For example, we can use DOI method, PDF upload method, and manually enter enter and manually enter. Let's see one by one all the method. First, we can add file in here, add link to file. Click here and select what you want and then open here. This is the one of the easiest method. And then let's try another method. In here we can click our research ISBN number or DOI link in here. For that, select your research and click the link here and paste in Zotero application in here. Then press enter, search. Now you can see that research also we can see in this here. Likewise, we can add more research in here. Another method is manually enter all the information related to the research topic so that we can use creator in here. We can add all the information related to the research manually. It is the one of the method we can use in here. After seeing different method, you can see all the research PDF we can attach in here. Then after that, select one of the research and click here. We have to check all the reference details were correct and organize them using manually. whether all the details in here are correct or not. And we can also add some related tags in here and special notes in here. After that, we can open then also when we after add all the related research in here, we can add these researches related to the collection. Let's take this research we want to add in our employee burnout. We can drag and drop method. You can use this method for all the relevant research. Enter into the specific collection and when we open the collection we created, we can see all the related research are in here. Then uh, and we can open a PDF in Zotero and make highlights when open a PDF in Zotero. We can make highlight using this highlight text in here like this, and we can we can underline most important things in here, and we can add some specific notes in here also, like this. uh, and also we can use Zotero with MS Word to insert in-text citations, generate a reference list, and change the citation style. So let's see how to use this. First, select the relevant Word document. Now to select the specific area you want to add citation. So let's click in here. Let's click here, and after that, add go to Zotero tab and click Add Citation button. Then you can see all the related research PDF in here. Then click relevant one. and click here. So you can see uh, the citation is already in here. Uh, let's try another one. Then let's click the place when you want to citation. Put click the place you want to put some citations and go to Zotero tab and press add citations and select uh, relevant research and click accept here. So likewise you can see uh, you can put citation to the Word document and also we can use this Zotero app for the reference typing. Let's see how to do it. First, select the area you want to add some references and click here in Zotero tab at bibliography. Then click here. You can see all the relevant reference are copy paste in here. Let's try another one. Click here and select the relevant research PDF. Click and then press OK button. Then after putting reference in here, you can change reference style. For that, go to document reference, click here and you can see citation styles in here, different citation styles. So you can change citation style in here. Let's say this and click OK. Then you can see our reference style is changing and also we can use this method to unlink citations. For that, select relevant area and click unlink citations.